partners, Chloe and Carlos, Yumir and Princess,
Zumba.
and to Thoughtful Media Group, a pleasant morning to everyone. Filipinos' love for sports is undeniable, and this was even validated when Arena Plus was created. We have received a lot of app downloads, sign-ins, and our daily number of registered players keeps on increasing. Therefore, we knew from the start that supporting passionate athletes like Carlos and Yumir, and not to mention our very own Mr. Scotty Thompson, will give us a pride more than anything else. The brand is here not only to entertain, but more importantly, to show the love for sports as an integral part of our culture and our society. I guess nobody can contest this, that sports is really part of our society and our culture, and that our brand will fully support and stand up for our athletes. Now that we are almost reaching the most exciting moment, I believe more than anyone else, our two ambassadors here are more thrilled to fight. Sabi nga nila, let's go for gold. So to Carlos and Yumir, good luck sa inyo. Ang inyong Arena Plus family ay saludo ngayon pa lang sa tagumpay na makakamit nyo. Again, good luck and let's go for gold. And of course, to our media partners, maraming salamat po for being present sa aming mga milestones. Lagi po namin kayong kasama. It's very heartwarming na maraming kami nakikita ngayon dito. And of course, I'm sure you all support Mr. Carlos here. As I always say, kabahagi na po kayo ng aming success, ang aming mga milestone for the past 2-3 years. Again, maraming salamat po.
That was a very inspirational message from our president, Sir Jasper. Thank you so much. And now, may I call on our president of DigiPlus Interactive Corporation, Sir Andy Chu.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather here for an exceptional purpose. On July 26, 15 Filipinos Olympians are set to make their histories at the Paris 2024 Olympics. And indeed, we are honored and privileged today to meet with Carlos Lo and also Yumir Marshos, two from the 15 Filipino athletes who will proudly raise our flag in the Paris Olympic. Arena Plus is poised to be the leading sports entertainment gateways for Filipinos. And one of our commitments is to support and build the collaborations with organizations and athletes whose passions is to uplift and inspire more Filipinos to pursue their dreams and preserve in becoming a successful Olympians, such as Carlos and Yumir. To our ambassador, all the best. Thank you for their dedications and hard work. We are all excited to watch you to compete in the games. Again, thank you all for coming today.
Thank you, Sir Andy. That was a moving message from